Faraday's laws of electrolysis. Faraday's laws of electrolysis. Faraday's proposed two laws. First law is first law लिखो Faraday's first law. It states that the amount of any substance deposited or liberated deposit कहाँ पे होता है सब्सटेंस एट कैथोड और लिबरेट कहाँ पे होता है फ्रॉम एनोड एट एनी इलेक्ट्रोड is directly proportional to the quantity of electricity passed through its electrolyte solution. इसी स्टेटमेंट को ऊपर से कॉपी कर लेना स्टेटमेंट देखो ठीक है स्टेटमेंट कॉपी कर लेना देखो it states that amount of any substance deposited or liberated at any electrode is directly proportional to the quantity of electricity passed through the electrolyte solution. Okay, consider this electrolytic cell. You have two electrodes, okay, and contains one electrolyte solution. Suppose anode or cathode zinc hai. So this electrolyte solution must contain zinc ions. Now when current is passed through this electrolyte solution, some amount of metal will be evolved from anode and obviously it will get deposited at cathode. Regarding this, Faraday states that W, mass of the metal liberated or deposited, is directly proportional to charge passed through this electrolyte solution. W is directly proportional to Q, or W is equal to ZQ, where Z is constant of proportionality known as electrochemical constant. Okay, also we know Q, charge is equal to I into T, current into time. So replace Q in this with IT. What we got? W is equal to ZIT. Students, I have muted your mics. ठीक है कॉन्टिन्यूसली कोई पीछे से शोर आ रहा था किसी के माइक से मैं आइडेंटिफाई कर नहीं पा रहा था कौन है दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव म्यूटेड ऑल ऑफ यू इन केस ऑफ डाउट जस्ट रेज योर हैंड यहाँ पे ऑप्शन है मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आपको आइडिया होगा हैंड रेज कर देना मैं इस पर पूछ लूंगा पर्सनली आपसे क्वेश्चन ठीक है W is equal to ZIT. Now this Z क्या है Z? Z is constant of proportionality. It's electrochemical constant. ठीक है इसी Z को इस electrochemical constant को define करना है from this formula take I is equal to 1 ampere and T is equal to 1 second. Look at this diagram. According to this, 1 ampere of electricity, 1 ampere of current is passed through this electrolyte solution for time 1 second. Okay, so Z is mass of the substance deposited. So Z क्या हुआ? Z is the mass of substance deposited at cathode or evolved from anode or evolved from anode when a current of 1 ampere is passed through the electrolyte solution is passed through the electrolyte solution. Okay, it is known as Z. एक मिनट रमन. हाँ जी रमन बोलो. बेटा तेरी प्रॉब्लम पता है क्या? तेरी आवाज ही नहीं. हेलो. हाँ जी हाँ. समझा रहे हैं. ओके. Now W is directly proportional to Q. Mass of the metal deposited or evolved is directly proportional to amount of electricity passed through statement यही है ना. Then W is equal to ZQ, where Z is constant of proportionality, or W is equal to ZIT. IT, because we know Q is equal to IT. So W is Z into I into T. Consider 1 ampere of current is passing through electrolyte solution for 1 second. मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूं. Consider 1 ampere of current passing through electrolyte solution. Then W is equal to Z. In this case, W क्या हो जाएगा? W is equal to Z. So electrochemical constant Z can be defined as the mass of substance deposited at cathode when an amount of 1 ampere is passed through the electrolyte solution. ठीक है बेटे? It is the amount of substance which deposited at cathode. You can also write evolved from anode when an amount of 1 ampere current is passed through electrolyte solution. ठीक है? This is about first law of electrolysis by Faraday. Okay. Similarly, we have second law, Faraday's second law. According to Faraday's second law, it states that when same quantity of electricity, mean charge or current क्या रखना है? Same, is passed through different electrolyte solutions connected in series, then the weights of substances produced at respective electrodes, at respected electrodes are directly proportional to their equivalent weights. Yeah, are directly proportional to their equivalent weights. So क्या हो गया बेटा ये? Consider two solutions. 1 minute wait, Anup. Two solutions, solution 1 and solution 2, connected in series. Solution 1 contains copper ions, solution 2 contains zinc ions. Okay? These are connected to same source of electricity. See, through connection you can judge these are connected in series. And series में क्या रहता है? Current remain same. So same amount of electricity is passing through both of the solutions, 1 and 2. And according to Faraday's second law of electrolysis, weight of copper, it's WCU, weight of copper, directly proportional to equivalent weight of copper. ठीक है, क्या लिखा है वो? Equivalent weight of copper. And weight of zinc is directly proportional to equivalent weight of zinc. This can be summarized as weight of copper divided by weight of zinc equal to equivalent weight of copper divided by equivalent weight of zinc. Okay, this is Faraday's second